Hey everyone, welcome back to Programming with. In today's video, we are diving into one of the most fundamental operations in data structure, how to add an element at the beginning of a linked list using Java. Whether you are preparing for coding interviews or just training your DSA concepts, this tutorial will give you a clear and simple explanation with code. So grab your keyboard and let's get started. So on my screen, you can see the linked list implementation in Java. So we have covered this as a part of our last video. So in this video, we'll see how to insert the element at the beginning of the linked list. So let's create a method. I'll just give a comment, insert at the beginning. So let's create a method. I will create a void method. You can create a method which returns head as well. But here I'm just creating a void method. So public void insert at beginning. And here we will need two parameters. First is our head node, and second thing is the value which we want to enter into the linked list. So these two things we'll need. So first what we will do, we'll create a new node with the help of this particular value. So for that we have to write node, new node, value. So basically what we are doing here earlier in the last video, if you haven't watched the first video, so to watch that particular video to get understanding that. So in that video, we created one node class. So here what I'm doing, I'm creating an object of this particular node class, and here I'm passing the value. So it will initialize this particular object here. Once you create a new node, you have to set its next as a head. So node dot next is equal to head. So here we are setting our new node's next as a head, and at the end we have to store, or we have to change the head to new node. This is how we can insert an element at the beginning of a linked list. If you want theory for this particular thing, like how to we can insert, if you want theoretically, make sure to comment. I will can theory video as well. This was the complete code based video. What we have done, we have created a new node. We have set its next node as a head, and at the end we are returning the node as a head. So this will insert the element at the beginning of. In next video we will see how we can use this, how we can print the particular linked list. So stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for the part 3. I will meet you. Meanwhile, if you are new to the channel, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more such informative videos.